It would start raining at the end of the day. I know that looks really scary over there, but it's just a cloud. It's fine. Well, I guess I gotta head back for my truck. Oh man, this just now started to calm down. Awesome! That's awesome. Still a lot of dust though. But it's gonna happen. Okay, well look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell in the cab, it's hitting that dry dust. Looks like smoke. Okay, well I guess I gotta get my stuff together and get back to my pickup. Should be fun. I made it! Back to my pickup. Wow. There's some big drops. That's awesome. I have to get out of here kind of quick because any amount of rain. You see, people have started harvest already. Around us, people have started harvest, which means there's a lot of semis out on the dirt roads. And that's not a problem right now. Any sign of rain, they decide to quit, so there's no have to worry about running into any. However, because of them excessively running all over the roads, they powdered it. People who drive around regularly on dirt roads know what I'm talking about. It's powder, and when it gets wet like this, it just turns to slime, and it gets very difficult to drive through. I'm trying to get out of here really quick before it gets any worse. Right now I'm still good because it just started. But this should be fun because it's already coming down pretty hard. Dang. Oh, no work tomorrow. Yeah, here's fucking paper. No. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I'm getting dripped on. We're getting wet in the fucking barn. We're all getting sprayed sitting here. At least it's washing off our pickups. I said at least it's washing off our pickups. Hey, we're mopping the shop.
How do you want to see if you can make it out to the rain gauge before the next wave hits?
Maybe. Tempted.
You got out.
So if you can't tell the way it looks outside, it's kind of starting to storm. Not real bad. It's been sprinkling. That's about it. But it was just enough to make the power flash, and that killed all of the wells on these sprinklers. Ricky Dale has already started back 2 sprinklers that the power flashed on, and then immediately after he got those 2 started, 2 other ones died because they're on a different grid system for the electricity. But Allie and Kyla decided to come with me to start these things back up.
She's watching, I think, the clouds. No.
Well, it does look pretty cool though.
Either that or she's watching your antenna vibrate.
That's another possibility because it is
Hey,
vibrating
no
away.
No,
It's okay, those buttons don't work on your side.
Yeah, but if I let her mess with these ones, she'll mess with the ones in the car too.
That's true.
No buttons. Hey, no buttons.
No buttons.
Oh.
Yeah, it would start raining as soon as I decided to come out here and start all these back. Oh well, I'm not complaining. It's kind of soft out here though. This is because this ground was recently plowed. Oh. Really?
Look, this day let it rain.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Look at the rain, baby. Wow. Yeah.
Okay, let's turn that on. I would say I'm going to wait a second, but I don't have that much time.
No, because we got to get up at this.
Here.
Okay.
Oh, this still doesn't get that bad. It's not
No?
terrifying.
Hi, bud. Daddy's going to get wet. Oh, that means we're going to get... You just ripped the magnet. She just broke the magnet.
I don't have my... Man, I'm wet.
Here, if you need to clean up your glasses, you can use my shirt.
Oh, it's okay. My shirt's...
Somewhat dry?
Yeah. That means I'm going to have to keep getting out to start the wells.
Yeah.
Okay.
Allie's book did say let it rain.
Yes, she did. She's a little rainmaker.
Allie, thank you. We need this. See, let's go. That's a lot of rain.
Clouds look kind of cool.
I know.
The life of a farmer.
Yeah.
There's two things that horrify me about the rain and the lightning around this time of year. And people in farming know what I'm talking about. Anytime there's lightning, you always get scared because it could strike a well box or the end of the sprinkler.
Yeah. You've had that happen a couple times.
Yeah, luckily nobody was hurt.
I don't think she knows what to do about all the rain.
She's looking around like, what's going on, guys?
It's rain, baby. It's just water. Lots of water.
It gets boring. The old man is snoring.
Oh, you're snoring?
I feel like I am because my nose is vibrating.
No, I'm indicating that you're the old man because you're a year older than me.
Yeah.
A whole year.
A whole year.
Yeah? Is the rain cool? Yeah? Tell us about it, baby.
Now, how come he's still running?
Who knows?
What the heck, man? There's our neighbor over there, our neighbor's sprinkler. His sprinkler's still moving. Mine stopped. I don't get it. And
Maybe he made a deal with Mother Nature.
Yeah. You can watch me get... It's gonna attempt to stay somewhat dry.
Good luck.
Thank you. I'm as dry as the best can keep you. Not that dry. Oop. I'm gonna have to kick it in full drive in a minute. Oh, I lit that last second. It still says 30, it's still on. Well, I just got to the first well on highway. Yeah, it's running. Okay. Yeah, I'm with my wife though. Okay. Alright. Yeah. If any, I bet you I could tell you which one's dead.